After learning repetition meta characters, now let's talk about quantified repetition. In repetition meta character, we have learnt about asterisk, which is for 0 or more times, plus for 1 or more times, question mark for 0 or 1 time. But what if we want something very specific quantity? Let's say I want to repeat something exactly 5 times. Or we want to repeat it specifically 4, 5 or 6 times. That's where quantified repetition comes in. Here we have the ability to specify the number of times specifically which is to be repeated. So here we make use of curly braces with some values inside that indicates quantified repetition. So the previous item will be repeated a certain number of times. So first is to be curly braces, and here we put the values within which interval values are allowed to be repeated. So here it follows this format where we have curly braces and the first value will be minimum and the last value will be maximum. And the important point is minimum must always be included in this interval. It can be 0 also, and maximum value can be optional. So here it follows 3 syntaxes. First, the regular expression where we define D within the range 5 and 9, where 5 is minimum and 9 is maximum. In this example, the regular expression will match numbers with 5 to 9 digits. Then comes second syntax where we will have, let's say, 1 digit. So here min will be only maximum. That means it will return just one value because maximum would be assumed to the same as minimum. So here it will matches the number with exactly 5 digits. And the third syntax, when we have 5 comma and there is no maximum value. So here we provide minimum value and the comma, but we don't mention a maximum value. So in this case, maximum value will be assumed as infinite. So if we have 5 comma, that means 5 or more. Let's understand this with an example for which I have 1 dot space A, 2 dot AB, 3 dot space ABC, 4 dot ABCD, 5 dot space ABCDE, 6 space, here it will be ABC, ABCDEF, 7 dot space ABCDEFG, 8 dot space ABCDEFGH. That's enough. Now here we need to write a regular expression. So how will I write here? First we have digits, so I can write \D. Then we have dot over here, so I need to give a literal character which should be given with \dot, then a space. Now we have number of characters, so I can define it as, let's say, \W with plus as per repetition character, and then I'll give a space as I have given space everywhere. Now here let's make usage of quantified repetition, where instead of plus, if I'll give first curly braces and I want from 2 to 5 the characters AB, which is 2, and ABCDE to 5. So it has matched all the strings which has the character from 2 to 5. Now instead of 5, if I write 8, it is returning me from 2 to 8. Either we can use 1 to 7, it is returning 1 to 7. Now after this, let's see if I give just one number within the curly braces. So I'll give 5. It is matching the string which is exactly 5 digits, 5 characters. Now if I give here 7 character string, 4 character string, where minimum is assumed to be maximum. Now what if I give 4 comma? Here it assumes the maximum value to be infinite, or whatever the last value over here. So minimum value is 4 and the last value is 8, whichever the largest value is. So after seeing quantified repetition, we can say regular repetition and quantified repetition. Between these, we have a wide range of ability to specify how many times something will be repeated in a pattern. Though in quantified repetition, we can give a specific repetition number. But still, if I relate this quantified repetition with regular repetition, I can say from 0 to infinite as asterisk. As we have read in asterisk section, asterisk matches from 0 or more. It is also doing the same. If we have 0 or more, we can simply say D asterisk. Also, if it is 1 or more, we can say plus, because plus signifies returns 1 or more, right? So if I use 1 as minimum and maximum as infinite, it is same as plus repetition operator. If 0 is minimum and maximum is infinite, it is assumed as to be asterisk repetition operator. Now here, if I take 9 1 and 10 digits phone number, 2 4 6 6 7 8, let's make this 9, and let's write one more number, 9 1, one more, 9 1, starting with 9. So we have these 3 sets of numbers. Now here I have to write a regular expression as it is a digit. So we need to give \d. Here it is matching all the numbers, but to be very specified, it should be \d, then slash \d, and it should be 10 digits, right? Now making use of quantified repetition, I can write specifically by curly braces 2, and here I can write curly braces 10, and we have here 3 matches. So this is all about quantified repetition. But I want to mention one thing at last, that if you want to master regex, you need to practice, practice and practice. Because regex simply makes the basics. It is a basic of programming. So I'll recommend you to go through this tutorial, as it is a very basic and without practice we can't master it. So in the next video, I'll be coming up with greedy approach. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. So please like my video, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.